Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7 of the Lico Day Challenge. Haven't I got bigger? Hmm. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Construct string from binary tree. I'm just, oh yes! So sometimes I click, I don't know if there are other pages. Let me know in the comments if you know of the other pages. But I sometimes check this not because I don't know, obsessed or something. Maybe I am. But not only because of that, but because of this button on the upper left, LC Easy plus 10. You click on it, and it doesn't show up every day, but you get 10 lead yeah, 10 lead coins. So, and you can always have more lead coins for t-shirts or something. I don't know. Right. So, anyway, that's just something. And also, hope you like the intro. I'm actually in London right now. So maybe some of this will be a little bit, from a couple of whatever ago. So, hope you enjoy it. Uh, when I was in Antalya, and there's some beautiful stuff, so I want to show it off a little bit. So indulge me in it, even if you may not care about it. I do need to make the music a little bit lower. I keep on editing the script, but I don't know. Let me know if you think about the volume or whatever. Okay. It's 7 a.m. in London, so that's why I'm like doing the waking up routine. Cool. Anyway, today's problem is construct string from binary tree. Okay, what does that mean? So given the root of binary tree, construct string, parens, pre-order. Okay, so just pre-order and yeah. What does the paren action mean? So okay. Oh, so basically left paren. So it's okay. So it's just pre-order, and then every time you do recursion, you add parens, right? So let's get started. I think the thing that you might have to think about is the string concat, but we'll go for it. So pre-order. So we'll just write pre-order right now, and then we'll write out the sketch and then figure out how it is that we want to uh finish it or whatever. So then pre-order is just we process node, and then we pre-order node dot left, node dot right. Okay. So that's the skeleton. How do we want to do it? Um. Hmm. Because the thing is that you do a lot of string concatenations, it may be a little bit messy, so or like it could divulge in n square, which I guess for 1,000. No wait, 10 to the fourth. I don't know, but I rather not having to think about whether that barely times out, especially on LeetCode where the platform is a little bit for Python it's a little bit like whether it times out or not. At least for me, I have a lot of uncertainty, and that's kind of partially why I've been doing that as well lately is because I think I second guess myself a lot. Anyway, this is the easy. I'm not saying it's easy, but it is a easy level problem, is what they say. So we should just see. Right. So for the current number, we want to something like this, right? And then for the left, so if I also have to do like if node is none, but and then here we go with load. If f is not none, then we pre-order. Usually I don't need to do it because this one will get it, but we want to wrap it around. That's why I'm doing it this way. And you can do it in a fancier for loop. So let's maybe do that. Well, let's write this first, and then we write the open parens. Oops. And then we do the close parens. And I think that's pretty much it. And then now we can do maybe some funky for loop where like for child and node dot left, node dot right, and then something like this, right? If child is not none, then we pre-order on it. And then at the end we can return and of course we want to pre-order the root. I forgot it the other day. Don't remember where, but that was a silly debugging. But yeah, okay, so that's a little bit sad. Oh, because okay, so I got the first one right, but the second, oh, you cannot omit the first parentheses because then now you have to do the left. Okay, that's fair. Um, hmm. Let me think about it. I mean, to be honest, this is just like an if statement, but And if I was in a contest, I would just do the if statement. But I mean, I'm just trying to think. Is there a cleaner way of doing it? Because look at this code right now; it's very clean. But that said, clean code that is wrong is not useful, right? Messy code that is working is still more useful than clean code that is that doesn't work. So, but okay. I think the way that you can do it is have just like a maybe, but then this also may with extend is like not very great. Because then now you have the same issue with actually I think we could fix it, but you might have the same issue with the n squared type thing, which is maybe I shouldn't do it this way then. Maybe we should just do if statement. Okay, fine. Because I think I'm trying too hard to be clever and cute, but sometimes you just have to do it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, fine. So the only case. I'm trying very hard to save my for loop, but I think maybe I just need to special. I don't think that I can do it. So yeah. So okay, let's write it out back out again. Sorry, friends. Let's unroll the loop because they're not the same as I thought they would be. So yeah. I mean, this isn't that bad. It's just that I was really trying hard to do it. And then here we go. And then maybe we could just do if no dot left is none, then we do right. Hope this is right. Let's try the empty node. I've been missing the. Oh, I guess we have at least one node, but let's just do something like that. Some basic trees, at least to show that I tested small ones. Let's give it a submit. Huh, have I not solved this before? Huh, well, yay, new problem for me, solved. 890-day streak, yay. So yeah, this is gonna be linear time, linear space. I think the real tricky thing about this one is that it is easy and possible to generate an n square. If you keep track of like a string concatenation thing, you can if you keep on concatenating because of immutable strings and stuff like this, it's going to create more instances, and then you're going to have that like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot dot, which sums to n square, right? Or O of n square. I know it's not exactly n square, but and that's what you do not want to do. So that's why I kind of do it in a funky way with this answer, and yeah, and each character of the string will only be visited twice, right? Once to append to the answer, and then the second time by joining. So that proves out O of n, time and space. And time is just because we look at each node once, but yeah. That's pretty much all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I know this is a very last minute thing, but if you're in London and you like to grab a drink, I think one of our Discord buddies, one of our fans, are trying to. We're grabbing a drink somewhere Friday night. I know this is in like 2 days, maybe, depending on where you're watching it. Well, if you're in London, then hit me up or go to Discord and we're organizing something. I mean, if not, it's fine too. And if you're watching it from the future, sorry you miss it. But anyway, that's all I have though. I'll see y'all later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Take care and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.